In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sony ZVE10 as webcam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily connect your ZVE10 from Sony to any compatible device and use it as a webcam. In this video, I'm going to be primarily focusing on how to connect it to a PC or a laptop. However, you can also get it to work with smartphones and any sort of tablet that you have. For this method, the only thing that you will need is a USB cable. You need to establish a connection between the camera and the device that you are going to be using it on as a webcam. So to start, I recommend going over to the settings and then going to the globe icon, aka network. Under the network category, you will find PC remote function. This is especially useful if you are doing it on a PC. So make sure that this option is enabled. While this isn't strictly necessary, if you don't enable this, you might have problems related to getting the camera to be recognized as a live streaming device. So I just suggest enabling this beforehand. Now the main thing is to go into the movie settings, so this icon here, and then choosing USB streaming. Immediately upon choosing USB streaming, it's going to prompt you to use a USB cable to connect it to the device where you want to use the camera. So choose USB streaming and then immediately connect it to your PC or laptop with the cable. It doesn't matter which cable it is. It could be micro USB to USB-C, micro USB to USB-A. As long as you are able to establish a connection between both devices, you are good to go. The ZVE10 will now be available as a device for you to use it as a webcam. So this will work for any sort of service like OBS, where you want to have a webcam set up, or something like Google Meet, Zoom, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sony ZVE10 as webcam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.